This is a fit for a 2017 and beyond Honda Civic 5-door hatchback. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo in silver, 53 inches in length, the Evo Clamp foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number 5043. The crossbars are positioned at 26 3/4 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.